Hey there, streamers! Having trouble with your donation link? No worries. This guide is all about learning how to fix your Dono link on Stream Elements. Stream Elements is an essential tool for many streamers, providing customizable overlays, alerts, and donation options to help you engage your audience and support your streaming career. However, technical hiccups with donation links can prevent your viewers from showing their appreciation through contributions. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to troubleshoot and fix your donation link, ensuring your setup is seamless and functional. Step 1. Verify your Stream Elements account. First things first, make sure that your Stream Elements account is properly set up and verified. Log into your Stream Elements dashboard and verify your account details, especially the email associated with your account. Ensure you've completed the setup process, including linking your streaming platform accounts like Twitch or YouTube. If there are any unresolved prompts or notifications, take the necessary actions to clear them up. Step 2. Check donation service integration. A common issue might arise from misconfigured donation service integration. Navigate to the revenue section within your Stream Elements dashboard and select tipping settings. Here, you should verify that your PayPal or other payment service is correctly integrated. Make sure you've entered the correct email address or payment details associated with your donation service. Confirm that your preferred currency is selected and your payment options are enabled. If there are any discrepancies, update the information and save the changes. Step 3. Customize your Dono link. Once your account and payment services are set up, ensure your donation link is appropriately customized. Head over to your tipping page settings within Stream Elements. Customize your donation link to be relevant and easy to remember. A good tip is to keep it short and related to your channel's brand. Avoid using unclear or complex URLs. Once customized, copy the entire link and test it in a new browser window to ensure it directs you to your donation page correctly. With everything set up, it's vital to test your donation link to make sure it functions as intended. Copy the generated link and paste it into a web browser in incognito mode. Check that it loads your donation page without issues. Try making a small test donation using a different account to see if the funds are processed correctly. If the link still doesn't work, double-check all your settings in Stream Elements and your payment provider once again. Step 5. Update your stream profile. After ensuring your link is functional, update your streaming profile to reflect the correct donation link. Whether you're on Twitch, YouTube, or another platform, make sure your bio or panels include the new donation link. This way, viewers can easily access the link when they visit your channel. Use clear call to action texts encouraging your viewers to support you, such as support the stream or donate. Step 6. Contact support. If you have followed all these steps and are still encountering issues, it might be time to contact Stream Elements support for further assistance. Collect screenshots of your settings and any error messages, then reach out to their support team via the help section on their website. Fixing a Dono link on Stream Elements can seem daunting, but with the right guidance, it becomes a straightforward process. By verifying your account, checking your donation service integration, and thoroughly testing, you ensure your viewers have a seamless experience supporting your channel. Remember, keeping your stream set up professional and functional not only helps engage your audience, but also opens up more opportunity for viewer support. Happy streaming!